In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency SOS. Select Emergency Contacts and tap on Add, located at the bottom. Finally, click on one of your contacts that you wish to add and decide if you wish to notify this contact that it's your emergency one by selecting Cancel or OK in the pop-up. Then do exactly the same with all the other numbers you need. Now, if you wish to edit this list, click on this icon at the top right corner and either move your contacts around to establish a perfect order, or remove one of your contacts by clicking on this X next to the chosen one and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Whatever you decided, when you finished, click on the back button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!